champion, right? Yeah. That's right.
Winter storm warning remains in effect until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. What? Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations up to 6 inches, leading to storm total accumulations of 6 to 12 inches. Where? Portions of eastern Maryland. When? Until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning commute. Additional details. Snowfall will persist through around daybreak Wednesday morning. Exceptional cold and blowing snow will further add to the danger of travel. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
I said I was gonna take this because I'm speaking from the heart, right?